Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change the refresh rate of your monitor or your display. Reason why you may want this is if you have a display that is capable of handling a higher refresh rate than the usual, but sometimes some monitors or displays or Windows in some cases will automatically set it to the lowest and you may not want that. So to do this, you're going to have to right click on your desktop and then click display settings. Then after that, if you full screen this, you want to go down to advanced display. And then as you can see, you may want to pick the monitor that you're using. I'll choose this one. And then over here, there'll be choose a refresh rate, which will allow you to select different refresh rates that your display is capable of. And that's pretty much it. If you click it, it will set it, and it may black out your screen for a second or two while it adjusts to it, but otherwise it will work as intended. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and if this helped you, then please subscribe and like.